What is up? If you're just tuning in and you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. I'm out here on this lovely brisk Saturday morning here in March, 40 something degrees. Headed to Torque Custom Cycles in Hackensack, getting the Vance Hines muffler put on, and I thought we were going to be doing the A1 2 up 1 back riser, but the minute it got into the post office hands, they're like, yeah, it'll show up. We don't know when, but yeah, it'll show up. Thanks guys, appreciate that. It doesn't take a friggin' week to ship something from Florida to New Jersey. That's why nobody has anything nice to say about the post office. Their tracking's just like, don't ask us, we have it, but we don't know where it is. But yep, getting better. Dude, this Pan America, by the way, new windshield, P-U-I-G, P, I don't know how to say it. 165 bucks, Revzilla, well worth it. I'm getting a ton less wind on the top of my helmet. Easy install, I did it myself. The instructions are good, friggin' take you about 15 minutes. I would probably switch back to the stock if I'm going to some trails and stuff like that, which I will some point this year. Check this out. It's a Pan America, right? You're supposed to ride it in the dirt. Don't mind if I do. Oh, what's this? Is this dirt? It is dirt. Brother. I'm back on the coffee, by the way, so apologize if I'm all over the place. If you've ever, or I should say if you've never ridden a Pan America, man, oh, go ride one. I don't know if I said it in my last video, but if they put this engine in the bagger, can you imagine friggin' 8,000-9,000 RPM pulls on a bagger? Oh crap, I gotta go down this street. Guess we're going the longer way, fellas and ladies. I swear it's like mission impossible to get through Bogota. It's always which road is closed in Bogota? Roulette. That's okay. It's been a long week. I've been missing you, buddy. The first time I bought this bike, I didn't know where the kickstand was. Not the dual kickstand, the other one. And you seen in the video, I'm like, where's the effing kickstand? But like when you get used to how much lighter this is and you gotta lean it over to the right to put the kickstand down, it's a piece of cake. I'll tell you too, I bought this seat from Harley, Solo Reach. It says it drops you down an inch or so. I didn't feel like it was an inch, definitely lower. I got a second opinion, they felt like it was an inch, so could just be me. I'm a little nutty. We're over here in beautiful Hackensack, New Jersey. My advisor, that's fucking up because somebody keeps saying they're gonna buy it. Well, somebody's buying a new helmet. I narrowed it down to a Simpson Bandit and the Shoei R something dash something /.org. But yeah, once we get there, I don't film inside anywhere really, but yeah, we're gonna get a muffler on this bad boy. Next week, maybe some bags. I'm stuck between Viking Soft and the owner of Torque, Mike, knows someone selling Harley hard bags. I'm a little apprehensive about putting the leg breakers on the bike and maybe going off-road, but I mean, my off-road's going to be dirt roads. Oh, fuck me. That didn't happen. Oh, well, now I don't feel so bad when Ricky Ritardo's making a left from the middle lane. I will say the clutch is like all the way out on this. That's where it releases. So there's nothing wrong with it. That's just the way it is. That was the way the clutch was on my Lowrider ST after they adjusted it. Tiny humans on board. Get to the chopper. Damn it, Cohagen. You got what you want. Give these people the air. Sorry for the mouth breathing. I'm all stiffed up. And the visor's open. It's weird. I'm so used to shifting 4,500, and this thing's got like another 4,500 to go. I'm in road mode too. I'm not even in sport mode. This thing must be a friggin' some sort of motorcycle animal, a manimal in sport mode. Oh man, I don't care. I just went back to work. I'm very lucky. I got a job at a place where you kind of dream of working at places like this, like come in, you know, early or late, leave early or late, do your job, nobody busts your balls. It's actually there a month they sent something to the higher ups saying what a good job I was doing. Wow, I was surprised. This thing pulls like the damn Indian Challenger I rode last summer. And that was 108. God, this thing is awesome. But yeah, we're almost here. Gracie Place. I see this dude creeping up my rear here with the directional on. Friggin' retard. Yeah, we're here. Gracie Place in Hackensack. If you need some work, come see Mike. Mike's all right. All right, be back in a bit. All right, we are back. I don't know if you can hear it. Got the muffler on. Sounding pretty damn good, if you ask me. Just trying to make a right here on South River Street. I close my helmet here. Give it a rip so you guys can hear it. Man, this was money well spent. Get my risers next week and maybe some bags, and I think we're good. Definitely going to be good with the 2 up, 1 back. If you haven't taken it from my videos, there's a lot of traffic lights in North Jersey. Very happy with this exhaust. I'll bring you back when we're moving here. It's that new pipe scent. Ravishing, isn't it? back. I'm actually behind one of the dudes that works at Tour. Pipe sounds friggin' badass. Do not want to be in this lane, but if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. If you could give it the thumbs up, leave some comments. Peace.